How to fix error code 0xc000012f on Windows. Here are some tips that would help fix error code 0xc000012f on Windows. 1. Run System File Checker, sfc/scano, as admin. 2. Remove recently installed Windows Update. 3. Perform disk cleanup. 4. Use a system restore point. 5. Disable startup services, clean boot your system. 6. Install Visual C++ redistributable for Visual Studio 2015 as admin. 7. Check for new updates for your Windows 8. Update all device drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 9. Reinstall the program. In problem, like the one when tried running.